I have this project with audio and MIDI melodies and audio and MIDI drums. Just so I can show you all the tricks, the song's in D major and it's 90 BPM, but I want to change it to E major and 100 BPM. First, BPM. I'm going to start by burning this project tempo into my audio events. Select them all just to be sure. Go to Audio, Advanced, Set Definition from Tempo. And I'm going to burn it into the events in this project only. If you want to burn it into the actual audio files, then choose this one. Some conflicting events will be bounced. That's because I'm using the same audio files in multiple places with different kinds of edits. Set all tracks to musical time base. That's what they are by default, but again, just to be sure. If you want to know more about the difference between musical time base, linear time base, and musical mode, then you can find a video, in the description. All right, click OK. The MIDI is already linked to the tempo, so if I change it, let's go to 120. And then a bit slower. And 100. Good. Next, the key. I didn't plan on changing the key of this project, so I didn't set my project root key before I started recording my audio and my MIDI. So if I right-click the toolbar and select project root key, you can see I didn't set it. And if I click an event, it has no key. If you don't see this in the info line, right-click it and check root key. And go ahead and check this one too, global transpose. So just like I assigned the project tempo to the audio before, now we're going to assign the current key to everything that needs to be pitched. First, audio, select the melodies, not the drums in my case because they don't have to be pitched. And you can hold Command or Control to select multiple. And over here, I'm going to say all of these are currently in D. Same for the MIDI melodies. And if I set the project key to D now, nothing should change. Correct. And if I change it to E, it works. So we went from this to this. Side note 1, if you do remember to set the root key before you start recording, that means if you record drums, for example, that those will also get the key burnt in. So in that case, let's say it happened to my drums, you can select them and you can tell Cubase to leave them alone whenever you're transposing the project. Go to Global Transpose and instead of follow, click it and make them independent. Side note 2, if something sounds off, it might be the algorithm, which you can choose in the info line as well. This one makes correct timing a priority, and this one does that for pitch. So if you transpose and the pitch is a little off, try the pitch one. And side note 3, let's say I want to drag in a new third-party loop, and it doesn't have the correct tempo or key burnt in. Then that's not going to adjust properly to the project, right? So to fix that, on Mac, Control-click the loop. On PC, Control-right-click. Find selected in Pool, and then input the correct BPM and the key of the original loop, and check musical mode here. And now it fits right in. I hope that helped. Thanks for watching and have fun making music. Bye.